Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of photo which is going trending on Instagram. So in this video I will show you a quick way, like within a couple of minutes you can create this type of pictures. so so for this you will need two things. One is your current photo and one is your childhood photo or a younger photo. So after that you can open any AI application like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to create this. So open Google Gemini or ChatGPT. I am using ChatGPT. So here I have uploaded the recent and the old photo. So upload that and post a prompt this. I will show you how to get a prompt and you can see how they have created an image. So I will show you one more type. So this is a second prompt. So after using this image will be generated. So here you can see the year is 2020 2026. So you can make a changes, like here you can see it's 2000 and 2026, 2000 and 2026. So you can make some changes in a prompt as per the requirement you wanted. So to get this prompt, what you need to do, go to our Instagram page, this Hitech Talk, and in this post just comment as a prompt. I will send it to you within a 1 hour. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.